Australian chef. Welcome to my 12 days of Christmas. This is episode 9. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glaze for your ham for Christmas Day. First of all, we've got a cup of marmalade and we've got to put it on a fairly mild heat while we make the glaze because it'll burn very quickly. Then we've got a cup of orange juice. And a half a cup of brown sugar. And just for a little bit of tanginess, we've got 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. All we do is simply stir that around until it all thickens. You can put that up a little bit to get the temperature just right to form a beautiful glaze. As you can see, this is starting to get a little bit thicker, more like a glaze consistency rather than a water. This should take about 5 minutes of simmering. Okay, that's a perfect consistency, so I'm going to turn that off. And I will now go and get the ham ready. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to get the ham ready. You've got to take the top layer of skin off, but you're going to leave some fat, because that's where all the flavour is. So just to create a little bit of a pattern, just cut, indent around the top part of the ham, so that you've got somewhere to grip. Now we're going to take the skin off by just simply pulling it. When I say simply, it's probably a little bit tricky. And now we're going to just cut, without going all the way through, some diagonal lines. So you're going to make a crisscross type of pattern. Now some people like to put cloves in. I'm going to simply show you that you can put cloves in, but I don't like too many. Around the top of the joint here, I'm going to wrap some foil because I don't want that to burn, or I don't want that to get all the sauce. Because when it presents nicer, you can see that uncooked or unglazed. Now simply you're going to just glaze it by just pouring it all over. I put it on a baking tray with 2 sheets of baking paper. That'll stop it sticking and burning to the tray. So you've got your oven on 106 degrees, and this should take around about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So every 15 minutes, glaze your ham. There we go, I'm going to put that in the oven now. There you go, there's the baked ham. That's been in the oven for approximately 2 hours. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get my next video. Have a go.